Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing permission and confirming this is lawful. Once you have consent, copy the YouTube URL and note the video ID. Next, download or screenshot the thumbnail and inspect the video description for explicit location tags, timestamps, or place names. Make sure to toggle captions and view auto-generated transcripts for spoken clues. They often mention landmarks, street names, or events. Keep a short log of any names, dates, or venue mentions you discover, because those become the anchors for the next investigative steps. Once done gathering raw clues, methodically search them. Scan channel uploads and the About page for repeated locales, team names, or affiliated social links. Then perform reverse image searches on the thumbnail and notable frames to locate identical photos or mapped places online. Make sure to transcribe audible place names and note accents or language as they narrow regions. Finally, cross-check any found place names against map tools and event dates to build a consistent location hypothesis before you consider contacting the uploader or authorities. To finalize, reach out to the uploader requesting confirmation. Be transparent about why you need the location and respect refusal. If you cannot get a reply, refine your hypothesis by matching multiple video frames to satellite images or street-level photos, looking for unique landmarks, signage, or building architecture for verification. If results remain inconsistent, pause and consider platform reporting tools or legal channels instead of invasive tactics. One troubleshooting tip: if frame quality is low, extract multiple stills at different timestamps to improve matching accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.